Oh, poor little squirrel.
So you killed it, is what you're saying?
Technically, I made him commit suicide, basically.
You made him commit suicide when he jumped over that.
Yeah, suicide by lane change, that's right.
Listen, he was determined not to move. He was just gonna sit there.
I bet you he had some big nuts.
He was eating. He had to be eating one too. He was eating something, but he wouldn't move.
It must have been something good.
It had to be good. He was sitting there allowing my mom.
They work.
Yeah, that works. And
Bolt cutters.
Bolt cutters.
Some bolt.
I said, all right, little squirrel, get out of the road. Don't jump in front of me. Which I wouldn't try. If he'd come in front, I'd run over him. I wouldn't try to dodge him.
Yeah.
Something like that. I ain't gonna throw my bike down over a squirrel.
No.
I don't want to kill him, but I don't want to run. I don't want the bike either.
Oh, yeah.
I thought maybe the damn little thing gonna jump on top of him, because he come right to me and just shot right under. Well,
So you flipped your legs up.
I lifted my legs straight up. I know I can lift my legs that high. But I can.
So are you saying that's going to be something you're going to do often now? Is start doing some hill clicks?
No, I'm going to have to do something different when I see a squirrel go the other way or something. He's the only one that ever stayed in the road. Most of them move
Yeah.
before I get there.
Everyone I've ever encountered, it seems like to me, they want to wait till you get about 15 foot from them, and they start doing.
Yeah, which way I'm going to go? Back and forth, back and forth.
I'm like, it's not that hard. You just pick something. You just pick one way. I mean, that.
Yeah, that little sucker, he was trying his best to scare me. I don't think he could hear. He couldn't bound enough to be able to hear. He should have heard my bike. Like I said, when I seen him, I slowed way down. I just barely rolled.
Credit card, Nate. Well, I could see you lifting them legs up real quick.
Yes, I did. A friend of mine, about living in Lewisburg, we were riding one day. He likes to ride right on somebody's bumper. He'd ride behind a truck. We were 55 and 60. And I kept telling him before, I said, you need to get off these people's stuff right in their ass.
Yeah.
About that time, the truck went over, and next thing you know, the squirrel right in the middle come over, and he hit it. He threw his legs up too, but he hit the squirrel. Didn't kill it, but he hit it.
He kicked the squirrel?
No, he threw his legs up and he hit it with the
motorcycle.
The motorcycle hit it, because he couldn't move out of the way. He was right up on top of the truck.
Yeah.
You see it. And he hit that squirrel. That squirrel flipped around, jumped around, and we pulled off the side. And I said, man, I told you to call the clothes piles. I'm like, you couldn't even see the squirrel. And he finally hobbled to the side of the road. He was hurt. He didn't kill him.
A dude got behind me one day like that, and I was out. Whenever there's a bike, I try not to slam on the brakes or anything, but I told him to go ahead and go around. I ain't gonna be ballsy like that. Shit.
Yeah, you ain't got a whole lot in between you when you hit the brakes on a motorcycle.
No. I mean, look, I tell you, look, somebody tried to brake check me on a motorcycle yesterday. Yeah, I was just going down Red Mill.
Where you working at today, man?
Up at the mill building down the street.
Oh, I got you. If you end up needing anything else, just give us a holler.
Sure will.
Thank you, sir.
Just going down the street, man. I was going the speed limit this time, okay? I was going the speed limit this time.
Yeah,
Look.
How close was you doing though?
I want
10 foot.
No, I swear, look, 2 car lengths. Two car lengths, and I was just going.
You know, they say a car length is 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Every second supposedly a car length.
Yeah. So they give them, so I was about 2 car lengths behind them. And I was going. All of a sudden you see the brake lights kind of jump up. Next thing shut up.
Not to jump up like that?
Yeah, jumped up just like a retard, like you acting right now. Look, there you go. Look, next thing you know, I swear, that boy hits the brakes just like that right there, and the whole daggone thing. I daggone hit slam on the brakes, bike does like that. Oh, good Lord. I didn't know what to do. I just daggone, I got like...
Your butt pucker.
Oh, yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
I daggone got 10 or 15 car lengths behind him. I won't mess with that shit. I don't know why he's being a dick like that.
Yeah, people damn crazy, man.
You gotta watch your mouth, man. It's too early in the morning to be talking like that.
If they want to
Yes, I am.
get on somebody or something like that, they get on these damn assholes riding these bicycles.
Oh, yeah.
They want us to show them respect, but they don't want to show us respect.
I seen one run right through a damn, I'm sorry, man. I was running right through a red light.
Yeah.
Didn't even stop. The cars coming, everything, man.
Two lanes that run in between cars.
Yeah.
And go on through there. Now, and they want us to show them respect. Bullshit.
I don't care.
No, I ain't showing them nothing.
People on bikes give people on motorcycles a bad rep.
Yep.
Because they say, oh, they're just like them.
Yeah.
When I pass one on a motorcycle, yeah, as close to them as I can. As close as
I
I
like-
can to them on that motorcycle, I do.
I like the daggum downshift it to third and get real high and let the damn thing pop. Scared the crap out of them. See? Caught myself.
You did.
Caught myself.
You
boy.
caught
You
yourself.
knew I was going to say it.
Yep,
didn't you?
I knew exactly what you. I was waiting for it too, boy.
Uh-huh. Yeah, daggum. Yeah, I like to do that.
Yeah, 'cause they sure don't care. That's for sure.
Nate said, "Yeah, I like to do that." I like to hear the story about Larry when he got caught up in the rain. When they left you.
Oh, up at the mountain?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're a bunch of assholes anyway. All them Shriners are assholes. Damn bunch of drunks. I ain't never seen nobody drink like the Shriners drink.
Here they come. Look, here he comes.
I mean, they just Shriners, they've been drinking this people I've ever met in my life. All the time.
Party hard, baby.
They do. I mean, they do. That night when we have a party every year. You know, my mom, I had to help, every year I had to help the bartender.
Oh, thank you, sir.
I had to help her every single year because she would get backed up. People get complaining, you know.
Yeah.
Had over
Luna.
100
Hey, look.
people.
Hello. What you
Come
got
in
there?
that house.
Some pan and stuff?
Yeah, so
With cheese. Double ham with cheese.
I got bacon, egg, and cheese.
Double
He had
ham.
a
That
hand-
sounds like
that's
Al got a
Alan,
double
but it
egg.
wasn't supposed to. I think the cow was just cheese happy.
He didn't put cheese on none of the. That's double ham. That must be yours.
Luna.
You
That's
got
mine.
Drinking ass
you
people.
put cheese on everything?
What do you mean?
I didn't. Did I ask for cheese on yours, Alan? Oh, okay. All right, good. So Harv,